Hi everyone, welcome to 24 Asia Microsoft PowerPoint video tutorial. By the way, my name is Jen and I am a 24 Asia ambassador and assistant team leader of training team. And today I'm going to show you how to create a simple and easy infographic using PowerPoint. This video will guide you how to create our assignment number 1. Let's go.
Open your PowerPoint and choose Blank Presentation. Go to Insert Shape and choose Rounded Square. Duplicate the shape. Insert Rectangle. Select the shape. Go to Format, Merge, then Subtract. Insert the half oval shape and align. Insert a rounded square. Right-click and send to back. Choose the first shape and send to back. Format shape, change color, select no line. Insert half oval shape. Format shape, change color, no line, and align. Go to shape then, insert circle. Format shape, increase line width to 7. Insert another circle shape or duplicate the first circle. Insert text box and write one, format according to your likes. This time press Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+G to group it. Now you can duplicate it in 4, regroup and change the colors. Second easy way to make it look. Go to shape then insert a rounded square. Change the shape color, no line. Go to shape, insert the half oval shape. Move upward and align. Now send to back. Insert half oval shape or duplicate. Now right-click and send to back. Insert half oval or duplicate the first one. Change the color, no line. Insert circle shape. Format circle shape, solid line to width by 7. Insert circle or duplicate one more time. Format shape, color, align, and choose no line. Insert text box and write one. Now you can group your elements in Model 2 and duplicate it on how many you needed. Insert double arrow, align. Now format the line and increase the width by 5. Insert the connecting line below and increase the width, then duplicate. Duplicate all the circles and change the color accordingly. Insert online pictures and search for your symbols. Insert text box and write all the information, then duplicate it. Edit your duplicated text box accordingly. Insert online picture for your next symbol. Now, insert word art for the title infographic. Format it, set the background color to 100% red, and add shadows. Duplicate the small circle and move it below the title. Now go to 24 Asia website and copy the logo, then paste it to your PowerPoint. Add text box and write Assignment-01, then write your name below. Insert square shape, format it, and send to back. Now you can duplicate your designs on how many you needed, ungroup it, and change the color. Continue the process until you completed your designs. Well done! Now it's time to save your designs.